In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share games on Steam using Steam Family Sharing. If you have a big Steam library and want to let your friends or family play your games without buying them again, this feature makes it incredibly easy. Steam Family Sharing allows you to share your installed games with other Steam accounts on the same computer, giving them access to your library while still keeping your account secure. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to find the settings, how to manage your Steam family, and how to view which games are eligible for sharing. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Steam application on the computer where your games are installed. This is important because Steam needs to recognize the installed library before you can share it with another account. Once Steam is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click on the Steam menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open the main configuration panel where you can control different features of your Steam account. Inside the settings window, find and click on the section labeled Family. This is where Steam manages family sharing and the Steam family system. In this area, you'll see an option that says Manage your Steam family. Go ahead and click that option to continue. Steam will open the family management interface where you can control which accounts are connected and what content can be shared. Once you are inside the Steam family settings, navigate to the Library tab. This tab displays the games connected to your Steam account and shows which titles can be shared through family sharing. Steam will automatically scan your library and list the games that are eligible to be shared with other members of your Steam family. Not every game supports family sharing due to publisher restrictions, but the majority of standard games will appear here. From this section, you can review the available games and confirm that your library is ready to be shared. After another user logs into Steam on the same computer and joins your Steam family, they will be able to access these shared titles directly from their own Steam library. This makes it easy for families or friends who share a PC to play different games without needing multiple purchases. One quick tip before we wrap up. Make sure the person you want to share with has logged into their Steam account on the same device at least once. Steam uses this step to recognize and authorize the account for family sharing access. Once authorized, they'll be able to see your shared games automatically, and that's it. You now know how to share games on Steam using Steam Family Sharing. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.